Oh, Songlo Tishtale. Happy Friday, everyone. Hope you guys doing great. And here we are. My friend Mr. Lekshay from San Francisco, and I'm Chelsering from Los Angeles. And today we will sing this one of the very popular song in the 80s. The song is called "We Are the World." So we'll do the duet, and we are singing this song as a solidarity with this controversial, video clip. And as Tibetan, we have full faith on his holiness, and he is the symbol of peace, compassion, and oneness in this, world. And he always preaches, we all are same. All the 4.1 billion people on this planet, we experience the same. We are brothers, sisters. So his message, exemplifies that we are everybody same. So we have, brothers, sisters, and I'm sure request to all these celebrities, media people, please, if you want to write against someone of that stature as His Holiness Dalai Lama, you have to study his life history. So in this video clips, please look at it from the beginning to the end, so you know all the facts. So this is my request. He's always a symbol of compassion, peace, non-violence, and he's our supreme leader. Okay, anyway, so my friend and myself, we will present this song. It's one of the best songs.
All-time favorite.
Yeah, all-time favorite, right?
Yeah.
It is. Here we go.
All right, there you go.
This is. This is our presentation as Tibetan brothers and sisters. Friday here in San Francisco.
Must come together as one. There are people down. Oh, it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go pretending day by day that someone, somewhere will soon make a change. We are all part of God's great big family, and the truth, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Praise the chance for making. We save it all our life. It's to make a better day, just you and me. I'm sitting in your heart, so if someone can, and the life will be stronger and free. As God is shorter, so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a chance for making. We save it all online. To make a better day, just you and me. When you're down, there seems no hope at all. But it just believe there's nowhere we can feel. Let's try life. Oh, let's dream. making. We saving our lives. It seems like a better day. Just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There is a choice for making. We saving our